Hello there and welcome to your afternoon update this Tuesday. It's the 24th of March and here are your headlines for this afternoon. Fine across England and Wales, warm as well with some sunshine. More cloud associated with a weather front across Scotland and Northern Ireland. The cloud breaking up at times towards the east as well as the south of this region. But across the far northwest of Scotland, a weather warning in force for some heavy rain. We've seen some heavy rain already and this warning extends through tonight to 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. So as we head through this afternoon, you can see why we're seeing so much rain across the far northwest. It's a very slow moving weather front. High pressure sits towards Central Europe, keeping things very static. And there's some strong winds associated with it as well. So gales for a time, particularly today, across western parts of Scotland. And as you can see, as we head into tomorrow, this rain only slowly pushes down towards the central belt of Scotland and Northern Ireland. So through this afternoon, fine, dry and warm across England and Wales. Eastern and southern Scotland not doing too badly at all, and sheltered spots of Northern Ireland where the cloud breaks up. A very different story across the far north of Scotland. You can see here the stronger winds, outbreaks of rain, extending towards the outer and inner Hebrides, sort of just clipping the far northwest of Scotland up towards Sutherland as well as Caithness. And you'll see some patchy rain moving in across Orkney as well as Shetland. Elsewhere, where the cloud is thick enough, we could see some patchy rain over the highlands of Scotland. But this is a warm wind, and so where we see some shelter and the sun across England and Wales, temperatures will climb very nicely. One of the warmest days of the year today and tomorrow likely to be 16, 17, 18 Celsius. So along the south coast where you're exposed to that wind, temperatures a bit lower, but inland they are going to rise very nicely through the afternoon. So through Tuesday evening and overnight, little change across England and Wales, starry skies and temperatures falling very quickly. It's that time of year where you get a real range of temperature minima to maxima. However, across Scotland and Northern Ireland, you can see this weather front trying to push down towards the central belt of Scotland, covering Northern Ireland. So a cloudier night here, a breezy one with outbreaks of rain. And that will keep temperatures up. So anywhere from Cumbria, Northumberland, northwards, it will be frost-free. However, further south, particularly in the countryside, we'll see pockets of frost like we did last night. So a cold start to Wednesday morning, albeit bright, with some sunshine, particularly across East Wales, East Yorkshire, southwards. So through Wednesday morning, it's a tale of two halves. England and Wales fine and dry and warm through the afternoon after a cold start. This weather front here just gets stranded across Northern Ireland, central belt of Scotland up towards Aberdeenshire. And even for borders, you may just see the sun. You're the other side of that weather front. And then to the north of the weather front, it's going to be a bit colder. The wind will have lost its strength. We could see one or two showers, but look at that. Some sunshine for Shetland, perhaps even Orkney, Caithness and the outer Hebrides. And it's this weather front which will stay with us through the next few days. High pressure firmly in charge across Europe. So we're not seeing very much weather activity associated with it, but what it does mean, it will delineate the colder air towards the north and the warmer conditions further south with a lighter breeze. And it will introduce more cloud, particularly for the central part of the UK through Wednesday into Thursday and Friday. All in all, though, it will tend to die out, and what that means, some brighter skies emerging. Colder air to the north, but we'll see some sunshine. Warmer air to the south, again with some sun. And in the middle, a little bit more in the way of cloud, the odd spot or two of rain. And then later on Thursday into Friday, a few showers will run in across the north. And in fact, as we head through into next weekend, it does turn colder everywhere. A cold northerly wind bringing in showers, particularly towards the north as well as the east. And we'll see some night frost with the risk of ice. Bye-bye.